Welcome back to Brittology, where today we're diving into the world of luxury on wheels, exploring the most luxurious motorhomes of 2026 that let you travel like royalty. Over the last decade, motorhomes have gone from being seen as modest holiday vehicles to becoming full-blown palaces on wheels, designed to offer the same experience you'd expect in a five-star hotel, but with the freedom to take it anywhere in the world. These futuristic motorhomes combine cutting-edge technology, extraordinary comfort, and jaw-dropping features that redefine what road travel can be. So buckle up, because we're about to take a tour of the most opulent RVs that 2026 has to offer. The first thing to understand about this new wave of motorhomes is just how dramatically the industry has shifted. Manufacturers are no longer simply building big vehicles with a bed, a kitchen, and some storage. They're building rolling masterpieces. Every inch is carefully crafted with luxury in mind. We're talking about interiors lined with Italian leather, marble countertops, heated wooden floors, and even voice-controlled smart systems that allow you to manage lighting, climate, and entertainment with just a word. This is the motorhome world of 2026, where the technology of tomorrow meets timeless elegance. One of the standouts this year is the Volkner Performance S, a German-made engineering marvel that continues to dominate the luxury motorhome market. What sets it apart is its built-in garage located in the belly of the vehicle. Imagine driving your Ferrari or Porsche into a motorhome and taking it with you wherever you go. You don't just park your luxury car in the garage. You slide it into the side of the motorhome, protected and secured as you roll across Europe or America. Inside, the Volkner feels like a luxury penthouse, complete with a gourmet kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and a lounge that can rival high-end city apartments. The price tag? Well into the multi-million range. But for those who can afford it, the Performance S is not just transport, it's a lifestyle statement. Then we have the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superiore, often called the most luxurious motorhome in the world. It looks like something out of a futuristic movie, with its spaceship-inspired exterior and panoramic windows that curve dramatically around the body. Inside, it's pure extravagance. There's a sky lounge that rises hydraulically from the roof, creating a private rooftop terrace wherever you park. The master bedroom features a king-sized bed with high-tech sleep systems, and the bathroom is fitted with a rainfall shower and designer fixtures. The lighting can be customized to your mood, transforming the interior atmosphere at the touch of a button. In 2026, Marchi Mobile has upgraded the Palazzo Superiore with even smarter automation, improved energy efficiency, and sustainable materials that don't compromise luxury. Another incredible contender is the Newmar King Air 2026, a name synonymous with American luxury motorhomes. The King Air is like a luxury condo on wheels. Step inside and you're greeted with handcrafted cabinetry, polished quartz surfaces, and state-of-the-art appliances. What makes the King Air stand out is its technology. It's fitted with the latest driver assistance systems, advanced navigation, and even real-time monitoring of weather and traffic to ensure smooth and safe journeys. It's not just about luxury, it's about making travel effortless. The 2026 edition also boasts solar integration, meaning you can stay off-grid longer without sacrificing power for your heated floors, entertainment systems, or high-tech kitchen. And speaking of kitchens, many of these 2026 motorhomes are designed for serious food lovers. Forget the tiny stoves and cramped counters you'd find in traditional RVs. We're talking full gourmet kitchens with induction cooktops, convection ovens, dishwashers, and even wine cellars built into the cabinetry. Imagine pulling up to a picturesque lakeside spot and cooking dinner with the same quality and space you'd have at home. It's not camping, it's a glamorous living with the ability to change your backyard every single day. One trend that's taken off in 2026 is the push for eco-luxury in motorhomes. Manufacturers know that the wealthy clientele buying these vehicles care about sustainability as much as style. Companies like Morello and Dembil are creating motorhomes that use hybrid or fully electric powertrains, cutting emissions while still delivering uncompromised performance. They also incorporate advanced insulation and energy-efficient systems, so your motorhome maintains the perfect temperature without burning through resources. It's luxury that feels guilt-free, combining the indulgence of high-end living with responsibility for the environment. Another model turning heads this year is the Dembil motorhome, often referred to as the super yacht on wheels. The design language is sleek and minimal, inspired by yacht interiors. Think open-plan living, massive TVs that rise from concealed cabinets, and materials sourced from the same suppliers that furnish private jets. The garage is large enough to store not just a sports car but even a compact SUV, making it perfect for long expeditions where you'll want both comfort and versatility. The bathrooms feature heated stone floors and rainfall showers, while the master suite has climate-controlled wardrobes and customizable lighting to mimic sunrise and sunset. It's designed to be a moving sanctuary, where luxury and calm go hand in hand. Let's not forget technology. The luxury motorhomes of 2026 aren't just about leather, seats and marble counters. They're about smart living. Many models now come equipped with AI-driven systems that anticipate your needs, whether that's adjusting the temperature before you even realize you're cold, or suggesting nearby scenic routes tailored to your preferences. Connectivity is also at its peak, with satellite internet, 5G integration, and entertainment systems that rival home theaters. Imagine streaming movies in 8K resolution on a screen that takes up an entire wall, with surround sound designed to give you a cinematic experience, all while parked in the middle of nowhere. The sleeping arrangements in these vehicles are equally impressive. Gone are the days of fold-out sofas and bunk beds. Now you'll find motorhomes with private master suites, complete with memory foam or smart beds that monitor your sleep cycles and adjust firmness to give you the best night's rest possible. Some even include guest rooms, meaning you can invite friends or family along without anyone compromising on comfort. For those who love wellness, luxury motorhomes are starting to include spa facilities. Yes, you heard that right. Some motorhomes now come with built-in saunas, fitness rooms, and even small pools that extend out once the vehicle is parked. It may sound excessive, but the 2026 market proves that there is a demand for bringing every possible home luxury into a mobile form. Now, of course, this level of extravagance comes with a hefty price tag. These motorhomes start in the hundreds of thousands and quickly climb into the millions. But the truth is, for those who can afford them, they're worth every penny. They allow freedom without compromise. You can tour the world, park beside the ocean, the mountains, or the desert, and always have a palace waiting for you at the end of the day. It's the best of both worlds. The adventure of travel combined with the comfort of home. So as we look at the motorhomes of 2026, it's clear they're more than just vehicles. They're symbols of a lifestyle where freedom, technology, and luxury collide. From sky lounges and built-in garages for your sports car, to eco-friendly hybrid systems and AI-driven smart living, these rolling palaces redefine what it means to hit the road. If you've ever dreamed of traveling like royalty, this is it. The future of road trips has arrived, and it's wrapped in leather, marble, and innovation.